Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of that dark theme in Microsoft Word 2025 and want to switch back to the classic light mode, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will guide you through the steps in just a few minutes. Dark mode is great for low light environments, but sometimes it just doesn't vibe with your workflow, right? Let's dive in and get you sorted out. First, make sure Microsoft Word is open on your computer. If it's not, go ahead and launch it from your applications or desktop. Once Word is up, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you'll find various settings options. Next, in the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Options. This opens the Word Options dialog box, which is like the control center for customizing Word. Now, in the Word Options window, click on General in the left pane. This section handles personal preferences, including themes. Scroll down a bit until you see the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office area. There, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Office Theme. By default, it might be set to black or dark gray if dark mode is enabled. Click on that drop-down and select white to switch to light mode. If you prefer a bit more color, you could choose colorful, but for turning off dark mode completely, white is your best bet. After making your selection, hit the OK button at the bottom of the window. Word should immediately apply the changes, and you'll see the interface brighten up. If it doesn't take effect right away, try closing and reopening Word, or even restarting your computer just to be safe. And there you have it. That's how you turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word 2025. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in your productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.